Hey, what's going on guys? This is Amar Hussain and you are watching Trick I Know YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset your Windows password using PassFab software. This software allows you to make a bootable USB drive to reset your password without logging in. It not only removes the password, it also allows you to remove your existing Windows user account and create a new one. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how to do that. To reset your Windows password, you will need a USB drive of any size and a working desktop nearby you. Just log into it and then open your browser and go to passfab.com. The link is in the video description. The free trial of this software is available. You can try it, but buying this software unlocks many features which can be beneficial for a computer technician. Here are the different versions of this software. The basic version allows you to reset your Windows using CD or DVD drive, and the USB flash drive started from the professional version. If you want to urgently reset your password, this is good for you, and this is best for the computer technicians who were fixing computer problems in a daily basis. You can purchase it from your credit card, or there is also option for PayPal. Now guys, let's see how to reset your password using this software. Once you got it, just install it on your PC. This will take few minutes to install. Once it gets installed, just click on start button. So this is the dashboard. This is the ultimate version provided by the passfab.com. Now let's see how to make a bootable reset device. Just plug your USB stick to your PC. The software will detect it, and once it detected, select your USB drive and click next. Now you will see a message. The burning process will delete all the files. Now the software will burn your USB drive. It will make a bootable USB drive. Now guys, burning process is completed. Now it will show you some basic steps to boot your USB drive. But don't worry, I will show you how to do that. Just click next. Close the software and eject the USB drive. Now insert the USB drive to the device you want to reset. Just turn on the device and quickly press the boot menu key of your device. In the boot menu, select your USB drive and hit enter. Now it will load the Windows reset files. So the setup is here. Now here you have to select your Windows and click on next. Now here you can see there are 4 options: remove account password, reset account password, delete Windows account, or create a new one. So here I am going to remove the user account password. So I am selecting the user. We have to select the remove account password here also and have to click next. Now it will remove the password in few seconds. All you have to do, just reboot it. And in the next start, your Windows will log in automatically without asking any password. Now you can use your Windows and you can complete your pending works. So guys, that was my video on how to reset your Windows password using PassFab software. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching guys. See you in my next video.